Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I got a job at a multinational company, and today we're having our first business Zoom meeting. I'm so nervous.
Good morning, everyone. Let's get the ball rolling.
Did he say, let's get the ball rolling? Oh my God, was I supposed to bring a ball? Do they have a policy in this company of rolling balls at business meetings? I need to find out. I see. To get the ball rolling is an idiom, which means to do something that starts an activity. I guess in my case, my boss was trying to say that to get the ball rolling means to start the meeting. You see, learning English can not only make your life easier, but can save you from some embarrassing moments. Have a great day and get that ball rolling and have a wonderful week. See you next Monday. Bye bye.